Infiniti has completely redesigned the QX80, but with a price over $100,000, can it truly compete with established rivals, or is it just a pretty new face?
The new design language is sharp and modern. This sport trim adds a black roof and dark chrome, giving this massive SUV an aggressive, almost menacing stance.
Inside, the quality is impressive. This dusk blue semi-aniline leather and genuine ash wood trim feel bespoke, a significant upgrade from the previous generation. It's a proper luxury cabin.
Tech is dominated by these huge screens. The system is responsive with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Below, a haptic screen controls climate, which might annoy some.
Under the hood, a new 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 makes 450 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. It's a powerful, smooth, and welcome change. The ride is exceptionally smooth thanks to the new air suspension. It isolates the cabin from bumps effectively, but you can still feel its considerable weight in corners. Now, the main competitor, the Cadillac Escalade. Let's look at the numbers. The QX80 brings more standard horsepower and torque than the Escalade's 6.2-liter V8.
Infiniti also edges it out on towing capacity. The move to a modern twin-turbo V6 pays off in raw output against the Escalade's traditional V8.
Pricing for the Sport 4WD starts around $101,950. This is premium territory, positioning it directly against its American and German rivals. Value is a tough conversation here.
Not sure if dropping over $100,000 on this Infiniti is the right move for you? Don't guess. Use our free AI Auto Match tool at myautoclass.com to find the perfect luxury SUV for your exact lifestyle and budget in seconds. Click the link in the top right corner.
Verdict: if you want the latest tech and a stunning, unique interior, the QX80 is a compelling choice. But if brand prestige is everything, you might still look elsewhere.